Look around you. Cities buzzing with cars, tall buildings touching the sky, phones in every hand. Now picture a place just as real, rich in minerals, forests, and rivers, but struggling with poverty and underdevelopment. Why this contrast? Take Jharkhand, for example. It's a land blessed with coal and iron ore, yet many areas lack even basic infrastructure. Meanwhile, states like Punjab, with fewer natural riches, enjoy better living standards. What's the difference? It's not just what nature gives us, it's how we develop what we have. Let's uncover the idea of development of resources from your Class 10 Geography chapter. Here's a question: are resources truly free gifts of nature? Well, not exactly. According to your textbook, resources become valuable only when we humans interact with nature using technology and guided by institutions. Think about it. Iron ore in a rock has no use until it's mined, refined, and turned into machines. So, what does development of resources really mean? It's the process of identifying, planning, and utilizing natural things in a way that promotes economic progress, equity, and environmental balance. Why is developing resources the smart way so important? Well, history has taught us a tough lesson. For a long time, we treated nature like it was endless. The result? We overused fossil fuels. Resources got concentrated in a few hands, deepening inequality. And globally, we now face crises, from climate change to polluted cities and degraded land. So here's the deal: indiscriminate use leads to irreversible damage. If we want to preserve resources for future generations, we must develop them responsibly with a clear plan and purpose. That's where the idea of sustainable development comes in. What is it? Simply put, development that meets our needs today without compromising the ability of future generations to meet theirs. In 1992, more than 100 world leaders came together in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, for the Earth Summit. It was a wake-up call for the planet. They signed key environmental agreements and launched Agenda 21, a global action plan for sustainable development. Its message was clear: let's protect the environment, fight poverty, and build a better future together. Now let's bring it closer to home. Imagine a village in Rajasthan harvesting rainwater with check dams, or cities installing solar panels to power their streetlights. These are real examples of resource development in action. It's not always about high-tech industries. Sometimes, it's the simplest solutions that make the biggest impact. And here's the best part: it's not just governments or experts who can do this. You, your school, your neighborhood, everyone can contribute to developing and conserving resources. Let's break this down step by step. How exactly do we develop resources? Step 1. Identify what resources we have. This means surveys, maps, and understanding what's available. Step 2. Create a solid plan. Combine the right technology, skills, and local institutions. Step 3. Put the plan into action. Build roads, set up facilities, involve the community. Step 4. Link it with national development so it benefits education, health, jobs, and the environment. Let's say we want to develop water resources in a drought-prone area. We'd first map rainfall, plan for rainwater harvesting, involve local panchayats, and tie it with agricultural development. Simple, structured, and effective. Here's a quick numerical insight to show how powerful resource planning can be. Suppose a village receives 600 millimeters of rainfall annually. Its total area is 1 square kilometer or 1 million square meters. Now, multiply that. 600 millimeters is 0.6 meters, so 0.6 times 1 million equals to 600,000 cubic meters of water. That's 600 million liters of rainwater just waiting to be harvested. Enough to meet drinking water needs of thousands if we plan it right. So, what's the takeaway? Resources by themselves aren't enough. It's how we plan, use, and conserve them that truly matters. Whether you're a student, a farmer, or a policymaker, you have a role in shaping a sustainable future. So, the next time you turn on a tap, use a notebook, or switch on a light, ask yourself, am I using this resource wisely? In our next video, we'll explore resource planning, how India identifies, manages, and utilizes its diverse resources through a structured, step-by-step approach. Get ready to learn how a good plan can turn potential into progress. See you there.